Chief Minister N. Biren Amadi India da Thailand ge Ambassador oina leiribi Patarat Hongtong na luchingba tim amaga ngasi Chief Minister Secretariat ta unaduna Thailand amadi Manipur ani gi marakta leinariba mari gi matangda wari sanakhibaga loinana Manipur amadi Thailand ani gi marakta lalon itik tourism amasung information and technology gi matangda wari sanakhe loinana sahi asigi November thada pangthokadoriba sangai kumhai da saruk yanaba Chief Minister na Thailand ki Ambassador da invite tauke. Ngasigi mifam aduga mari lainana State Minister N. Biren haikibada saukhat thaurangi matangda lebak ani gi marakta wari watai sanaba yamna mathau tai haike. Mahakna makhata na haikibada Manipur amadi Thailand ani gi marakta hena mari fagat pagal loinana lalon itik ki lamda saukhatnaba Bangkok tagi Guwahati laklaba matung Imphal yoraba matung amuk Imphal dagi Mandale taraba matung da Bangkok yogadaba flight ama laihannaba India ki Union Civil Minister ga wari sanari haidaba flight asi chatliba chahi astigi manungda huhannaba khonari sana khotnaba gi matangda palladuna Thailand gi muthai masana gi tim ama Manipur da tharaktuna lamdam asigi sanaroi singda khanghanna ba wafam Chief Minister na phongdokhe.
Flight facilities international airport, even you can land anytime. We are also planning requesting to the Civil Aviation Minister to have a direct flight from Imphal to Bangkok. We are planning it, and there's just almost Civil Aviation Minister has agreed to have Thailand, Guwahati, Imphal, and Imphal, Mandre, Bangkok. So this kind of road we are also planning to launch. I expect it within this year it will be started. And I also want to request Manipur is matter of sports. So earlier Thailand national football team visited and exhibition match were also held. And this time I would like to personally request to the Her Excellency if you can bring some of the Muay teams. We can bring some of the reputed Muay players and they can demonstrate here.
Thailand ge Ambassador Patarat Hongtong na Shanghai kumhai da yawnaba Chief Minister na invite tawrakpada thagatpa phongdokhe. Thailand amadi India ge awang nompok lamdam singa maru oina Manipur ga sahicha kaya dagi leinariba culture amadi tradition da manaba kaya leiri haiba wafam phongdokhe.
This year we celebrate 75 years of diplomatic relations between India and Thailand, and everyone knows that actually our relations dated back over 2,000 years ago through the cultural, religious and also trade. But we all know that upon these big pictures, we have northeastern regions in the heart because we have the cultural link through the settlements of the Thai Ahom or Thai Phake and other ethnic groups that still speak some language that we could understand each other and share some commonalities on the cultures and way of life. So northeastern regions also close to Thailand as the gateway to Thailand and then to Southeast Asia and also to the east of the Act East policy.